Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions come to haunt me like the ghosts I see in my dreams. Underpaid and overjoyed, I try to line my pockets with all the smiling faces around me. I see home shining just beyond the distance, brighter when I pretend I don't see, but like a boxer losing ground and spitting blood on my head, have to rethink my strategy. There's no canary in the coal. This isn't a wait and see. And if you're looking for the sign that you should go, you might never leave. There's no canary in the coal mine. This isn't a wait and see. And if you're looking for the sign that you should go, you might never leave. You might never leave. Well, if it isn't the bridge I said I'd cross when I got to it, collapsing and falling all around me, pick up the pieces as I walk through it, but infrastructure around me takes some planning now. Sometimes the bridges fall apart, and sometimes a town can break your heart, but broken hearts have stronger seams. Wear it on your sleeve. There's no canary in the coal. This isn't a wait and see. And if you're looking for the sign that you should go, you might never leave. There's no canary in the coal mine. This isn't a wait and see. If you're looking for the sign you should go, you might never leave. You might never leave. House is not my home. You know I'm fighting my way on through wish I kick over every stone. I am not afraid to say your walls are paper thin. One day they'll burn, but I'll be long gone then. I am not afraid to say I'll be long gone then. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. We're going to take a very short break and we're going to be back with you all in just a moment. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I want to thank you all for being here and for supporting live music and for making such a cool space happen and a cool event happen. So really grateful to be here, really grateful to be here with the band and to play some tunes for you all, especially original music. It's not always easy to get that out. So it's a crazy time right now. It's a crazy world right now. I know we're living through some pretty unprecedented things, and feels like they keep stacking up every day. It feels like it keeps getting heavier, and it's hard to sometimes see your way through it all. So I wrote this next song about that feeling years ago. I mean, at this point, I wrote this song almost 3 years ago, and I was feeling that way. And it seems like every day it seems to stack, but sometimes you just want to kind of try to run away from it all and try to find your own peace in it. And I think having a sense of community and sticking together with each other is the best thing you can do. Running away from it all is great, but run away with the people you care about. This is called U-Haul.